Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Children, this is your English copy and today I am going to teach you month's name and today's month's name are July and August. Now open your copy and complete your work with me. Children, in the first you will draw the line in the center of the page and make two columns like this. In first column, you will write July and the spelling of July is J U L Y. July. J U L Y. July. And here you will write the spelling of August. And the spelling of August are A U G U S T. August. What is the spelling of August? A U G U S T. August. Now children, we will write here again and again the spelling of July and August for our learning. Now write here the spelling of July. What is the spelling of July? J U L Y. July. Write it again. J U L Y. July. Write it again, children. J U L Y. July. Write it again. J U L Y. July. Now here we will write the spelling of August. And the spelling of August are A U G U S T. August. What is the spelling of August? Yes, the spelling of August is A U G U S T. August. Now write it again. A U G U S T. August. What is the spelling of August? A U G U S T. August. Children, you will complete this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Now we will read month's name from the starting page. And in the first, we will read the month's name is January. Children, read with me from the starting months, and the first month is January. 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 This is February. 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 Here is written March. 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 And what is this, children? April. 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 This is May. 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 June. 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 This is July. July. July, July. July, July. August, August. August, August. August, August. August, August. Children, I hope you will read and write these months' name again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.